Machines don't run your plant. People do. Every day people come to work with frustrations, high emotions at times, and different ways of thinking. That's why I believe emotional intelligence is not a soft skill. It's a superpower. Adrian, what are your thoughts on this topic?
Well, Karin, in my experience working in various manufacturing environments, I noticed that many leaders held in positions for years and years work under so much pressure. They are consumed by the numbers, by hitting those numbers, that they don't even think about emotional intelligence. But in reality, this is something that anybody can develop. So having said that, Karin, what is one thing you advise the leaders to do today so they can develop this emotional intelligence?
Hire a coach. The best of the best in sports work with a coach. Why don't we do the same in business? Develop those skills and it will make your life a lot easier. This was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.